Kransekake is a beautiful tower of almond cookies you'll have so much fun making. To the bowl of a stand mixer, add almond flour, cardamom, and powdered sugar. Mix these until they're fully combined. You can also find the full recipe at thatbreadlady.com. Next, you'll add the egg whites. That's going to bind it all together, and we're going to add some almond extract for some yummy flavor. Mix it until it's nice and smooth. It should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. The dough will feel very soft and slightly sticky. Remove the dough from your mixer and cover it with plastic wrap. You'll need to refrigerate it for at least 8 hours before you roll it out. Once the dough has chilled, it's time to divide it up and shape it. I'm using 6 molds, so I divide my dough into 6 pieces. Gently roll the dough back and forth. Keep on rolling until it's thin enough. You want it to be about the circumference of your finger. Be sure to roll the dough out thin enough so that you can form all 18 rings. Add the rolled up dough to each mold, forming a ring. Pinch the ends together and smooth it out. Continue to fill all of the pans. You should end up with 18 rings when you're done. Bake until the edges just barely begin to brown. They'll be a light, pale golden color. Let them cool all the way in the pans before removing. Now we're ready to assemble our kransekake. Stack the rings and group them into similar sizes. This is just going to help keep you organized as you assemble your ring cake. Start with the largest ring. Pipe on royal icing in a zigzag pattern along the top of the ring. Place the next largest size ring on top. Then you're going to repeat icing and stacking the rings, going from the largest to the smallest. Royal icing is perfect to use for this. It sets up so quickly and it holds them in place. Once you finish stacking, you should have a beautiful tower of 18 delicious almond cookie rings. In Norway, this wreath cake is used for lots of different special occasions. It's really so easy and fun to make. It's definitely a showstopper. You can find more tips and print this recipe at thatbreadlady.com.